Things you should never do to your car. 1. Never ignore rusting. Car rust is almost always worse than it looks if you see bubbling under the paint. The metal underneath is usually already rotting far beyond what's visible. Small chips can be surface rust, but once paint bubbles appear, the area needs immediate stripping and repair before the damage spreads fast. 2. Never neglect the dipstick. Oil change intervals only work if you check your oil. Engines naturally burn oil between changes, and if you don't top it off, the remaining oil wears out much faster. Running low stresses the oil, drains its protective additives, and can cause sludge and premature engine wear long before the scheduled oil change. 3. Never mix up brake fluid and power steering fluid. Mixing brake fluid and power steering fluid can destroy your car. They look almost identical, but using the wrong one can cause total brake failure or ruin the power steering system, leading to repairs that cost thousands. Always double-check the fluid before you pour. 4. Using the wrong car wash soap. Dish soap can ruin your car's paint. It strips off protective wax and oils, leaving the paint exposed to sun damage and premature fading. Car wash soap is made to clean without harming the clear coat. Dish detergent is not. 5. Never overfill the tires to get better gas mileage. Overinflating your tires can cost you more than it saves. Pumping tires to the sidewall max may slightly improve mileage, but it increases stopping distance, worsens wet road grip, wears tires faster, and beats up your suspension. Always use the pressure listed on the driver's door, not the tire. 6. Never drive when your oil light is on. If your low oil pressure light turns on, shut the engine off immediately. Driving even a few minutes with low oil pressure can destroy your engine and cost thousands. Don't drive to the store, check the dipstick, add oil if it's low, or call a tow. If this video changed how you think about cars, there's more coming. You'll want the next one.